Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need a modern device and the latest Bgmi. Once done, free memory and close other apps so performance stays smooth. First, open your app switcher and long press the Bgmi icon to invoke Android Split Screen or iOS Stage Manager. Place Bgmi in the top or left pane. Make sure the second pane hosts your communication app or map reference. This gets the dual-pane layout started and lets you keep gameplay visible while you monitor other tools without quitting the match. Once Bgmi occupies one pane, make it usable. Lower graphics and frame settings to balanced or smooth so the game stays responsive. Resize the split bar to allocate more screen to Bgmi. Make sure UI elements and the minimap remain readable. Open your second app, voice chat, guide, or recorder, and mute its audio to avoid distractions. If you use a controller, pair it now. This reduces touch conflicts and keeps aiming stable. These adjustments preserve input accuracy and overall frame rate while you play. Finish by entering a practice match to verify touch controls, chat, and recording work together. You want to confirm latency before ranked matches. If you notice stutter or frame drops, reduce the second app's resource use or close it entirely. Prioritize Bgmi. Make sure battery saver is off and thermal throttling isn't active. If problems persist, restart the device, check for system updates, and update graphics drivers or firmware. This often resolves stubborn performance or compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.